Hey there, so today I'm going to show you a quick mod that I'll be doing to my Toyota Tacoma. This quick mod involves putting a 1-inch spacer on both the driver and passenger seat. Now you don't have to put it on both, but these are going on the rear seats. The purpose of this is to raise the angle of the driver and the passenger seat, because those of you who own a Tacoma know that it's got a very uncomfortable angle. So whenever you're taking long trips, it just makes you tired quick. Your lower spine gets pretty tiring. So these are aluminum spacers that I got from a seller on Tacomaworld, and I'll make sure to link a link to where you can get these if he is still making them. I think he's a retired guy, so he does these as a hobby or during his spare time. Anyways, it's just pretty simple. All you got to do is have a 14mm socket and remove the 2 bolts that are found on the back of your seats. And both the driver, I've done the driver, but both the driver and passengers bolts are 14mm. So I've taken the bolts out already. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to put these. All it takes is probably about 5 minutes to do this, and it's a pretty easy and cheap mod. I am 5'6", so putting these spacers on the back, it made a huge difference during a long trip. So if you don't want to spend the money and get these, and you just want to try it out, what I would do is get a bunch of washers, and you can get them at any hardware store, and put them on the back of your seat and just sit down and test how it feels. Keep adding more washers, remove more washers, and then once you're satisfied with the angle, you can have somebody machine them for you, or something. Go to hardware and see if you can find like a spacer. Maybe I wouldn't recommend plastic, but something sturdy. If not, just get a hold of the guy. I think Dennis is his name, on Tacomaworld, and just get a hold of him and ask him if he can make you a specific size, thickness, if you will. So let's go ahead and put it. So as you can see, it was pretty straight and simple to do it. All you got to do is push your seat up a little bit. Let me show you. So by pushing it, you're able to put your spacer in there, and then put get you a new bolt. Make sure it is grade 8 and about an inch longer, and then just put it in there, tighten it to 27 foot-pounds, and you'll be good to go. Make sure you put a washer on top, because if you don't use a washer, then it's got this kind of raised up area in here. So I recommend you using a washer. Definitely need a washer. So again, this is a grade 8 bolt, torque to 27 foot-pounds, and you're good to go. Pretty easy. Here is the other side that I have yet to put a spacer, which is right here. And I mean, it's pretty simple. There you have it. So there it is without it. There it is without it, and here's the spacer. And all you gotta do now is put your bolt in there and screw it down, and you're good. Now we're gonna go ahead and tighten and torque to 27 foot-pounds of torque. Now the last thing that we gotta do is put this cover that goes on here, and then we're done with this mod. Alright guys, so thanks for watching my video, and thanks for following this cool mod. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel for more cool future videos that are coming in the near future. So again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.